Hey everybody, this vehicle is for Chevy Cruze Ecotech. Could be 1.4, 1.8, could have turbo, not. Some of you guys getting codes, cylinder misfires or coil driver circuit A, improper voltage, and you're getting a code 351. Could be this connector right here. Some of the wires are getting pulled on really tight that go into your coil driver. And a lot of more problems that people don't know about is down here on your PCM. Second connector down, which is the black one. This first one is the gray one. You're looking at the black connector. There's water intrusion in there. And I got the connector right here. If you guys can see it, those first two pins there are green. There was tons of water in there, and what's happening is pin 1 is for the coil driver, 5-volt reference, and pin 2 is for the fuel injector of number 1 cylinder, which is 12 volt, and it's causing a voltage spike. So anybody out there who can use this information, good luck, and hopefully those two things will solve your misfire problems.